Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate your presence. So we all know how expensive it could be to buy napkin rings for every holiday season. So today I'm going to share an exciting DIY with you. Today we're going to be making some napkin rings for Valentine's Day using Dollar Tree items. So without further ado, let's get into it. Grab your popcorn or grab your items and let's get to this DIY. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your presence as always. Be safe, stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching. So these flowers came from my local neighborhood dollar store, and it was a pack of 8 heads of flowers for $4.99. Since I'll be making 6 napkin rings, I'm going to use 3 of the flower heads to create the napkin rings. So what I've done is I've taken the flower apart and I'm using 3 of the flower petals and I'm gluing them together so that I can create a much thinner flower. I did not want the napkin rings to be too thick, so that's why I've taken them apart so that I can create a flatter surface so that I can use these party favors to embellish it. So these party favors were purchased at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and it comes in a pack of 10. So if you're having like a Valentine's Day party for a huge crowd, you're going to make use of a lot of it. A pack would give you 10 napkin rings, which is very inexpensive. Can you imagine getting 10 napkin rings out of $1.25 as opposed to purchasing it on Amazon or at a more expensive store at a pricier range? It's yet again another win-win situation at Dollar Tree. With a pair of scissors, I have removed the backing of the party favor, and now I'm going to use a dab of glue to glue it to the flower that I've created. Once you've glued it to the flower, this is what it should look like. Now I'm going to use some recycled paper roll to create the napkin ring. Typically I would just eyeball and just cut it as thick as I would like for it to be. You can also measure it as well. So I'm using some bling wraps to cover the paper roll because I want it to be a glam napkin ring, because the tablescape that I'm going to create, I'll be posting it soon, it's going to be a glam Valentine's Day tablescape. This year I am so late with posting my Valentine's Day craft. I recently gone back to work after 8 months of being out of work, so This is why I am so late with my crafting this year. I feel like I'm playing catch up, but it's better late than never. At least I am posting them and you guys get to enjoy them, and that brings me a lot of satisfaction that I get to post it and you guys get to look at them. With that being said, I would be delighted if you guys can please like, share, and subscribe, and share the videos. Help me with the algorithm so I can grow my YouTube channel. It would mean the world to me if you guys were to grow with me, because that's what I am looking to do on YouTube. I am looking to grow with my YouTube family. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate you sharing, and please take care of yourself. Be safe out there, and as always, God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. And this is what it should look like once you're done gluing the flower to the embellished paper roll. And this is all the final product. This DIY was so much fun to make. I hope you guys are able to recreate this DIY. And if you do, please don't forget to tag me in it. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you liked and what you didn't like about this video. And what would you like for me to do in the future to improve my videos. Thank you so much again for watching. I really appreciate your presence. I really appreciate you stopping by. And until the next one, take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching.